Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. So in today's video, I will be talking about some exciting new launch projects that were just announced in Q3 2024. For that reason, I will be discussing a total of 5 projects, all of which are excellent and you should definitely check out. So without wasting any of our time, let's start the video. The first project is from TVS Emerald by project known as TVS I Love Trees. It's a newly launched project in Rachanahalli, Bengaluru, which is perfectly situated in the city's north. The project is RERA approved and May 2028 is the completion as per RERA. With 154 total units, the entire society is dispersed across 2.7 acres land parcel. The project features G+14 floors with 3 towers and 3 and 4 BHK unit variants. The second project is from Sattva Group by project known as Sattva Springs. It's a newly launched project located at Kanakapura Road, which is perfectly situated in the city's south. The project is RERA approved and September 2027 is the completion as per RERA. With 66 total units, the entire society is dispersed across 5.5 acres of land parcel. Project features luxurious 4 BHK villas with sizes ranging from 3600 to 5300 approx. Our third project is from Sauparnika Projects and Infrastructure by project known as Sauparnika Euphoria in the East. It's a newly launched project in Whitefield, which is perfectly located in the city's east. The project is RERA approved and May 2031 is the completion as per RERA. With 1100 plus units, the entire society is dispersed across 8.6 acres land parcel. The project features 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK unit variations in addition to G+14 floors. Moving on with our fourth project, that is from Provident Housing by project known as Provident Equinox 3. It's a newly launched project which is located towards Mysore Road, Kengeri in west part of Bengaluru. The project is RERA approved and March 2028 is the completion as per RERA. With 384 total units, the entire society is dispersed across 59 acres land parcel. The project features 2 and 3 BHK unit variations in addition to G+12 floors. Our final project is from Modern Spaces by project known as Modern Serene Heights. Again, it's a newly launched project which is located towards Sarjapur Road, that is Sompura in east part of Bengaluru. The project is RERA approved and June 2028 is the completion as per RERA. With 240 plus units, the entire society is dispersed across 7.5 acres land parcel. The project features of 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK unit variations. That's it guys from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.